Las Vegas is underwater. Severe thunderstorms hit downtown Las Vegas in last Thursday night, causing flash flooding in several areas. According to the city of Las Vegas, a flash flood warning and severe thunderstorm warning was issued for the Las Vegas early last Friday morning. The videos posted on social media show that water pouring through the roofs of a casino and cars struggling through floodwaters near a downtown landmark. As many as 7,300 people had their power knocked out because of the storm. At the Link Hotel, water is seen rushing through a hotel parking lot on the Las Vegas Strip. The famous Caesars Palace Casino also experienced some flooding as water seeped through the ceiling. The city typically gets 4 inches of rain per year, but the National Weather Service Las Vegas said some areas of the city saw over 1 inch of rain on last Thursday.
The storm is crazy. Oh